Toyota is making waves in Australia by introducing its full-size Tundra pickup truck, which is set to go on sale in November 2024. This launch marks a significant milestone for Toyota, as it is the first time the automaker has partnered with a third-party organization for a global re-engineering project. The collaboration between Toyota Australia and Walkinshaw Automotive Group has been key to transforming the American-built Tundra from left-hand drive to right-hand drive. The re-engineering process, which took place at Walkinshaw's facility in Melbourne, has been 6 years in the making. Toyota ensured that every detail of the vehicle adhered to its renowned global standards for quality, durability, and reliability. Sean Hanley, Toyota Australia's Vice President of Sales, Marketing, and Franchise Operations, emphasized the significance of this achievement. He described it as a groundbreaking effort that sets a new benchmark for re-engineering standards and offers Australian customers more options to meet their driving needs. This is far from a simple left-to-right conversion, Hanley explained. The Tundra has been meticulously re-engineered, with Toyota engineers working closely alongside Walkinshaw. Many components from other Toyota models, including the Land Cruiser 300 series, have been integrated to maintain Toyota's exceptional standards. The Tundra Insider program, launched in September 2023, played a vital role in the development process. Hundreds of Australian drivers participated, putting the truck through real-world conditions and providing invaluable feedback. This program allowed Toyota to refine the vehicle and ensure it was ready to meet the unique demands of Australian drivers. Initially, the Tundra will be available in a limited trim, followed by a premium version scheduled to launch in the second quarter of 2025. Both variants are built on Toyota's TNGA-F platform, shared with the Land Cruiser 300 series, and feature a robust 3.5-liter twin turbo V6i Force Max engine. The powertrain delivers an impressive 326 kilowatts of power and 790 Newton-meters of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. It also boasts a brake towing capacity of 4.5 tons. The premium grade takes luxury to new heights, offering advanced features such as massage seats, a panoramic moonroof, and a 10.9-inch head-up display. Toyota plans to release additional details as the launch date approaches, ensuring excitement continues to build for this re-engineered powerhouse.